Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to format references in APA format on Google Docs. So first of all, simply launch open Google Docs. Open the document in which you want to format the references. You can see over here I have already done it. So there are basically various rules in order to format the references in APA format. So the first thing that you need to do is simply select all of this. Simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Now you can see over here all the references will be selected. Now what you have to do is select the correct font. So simply click on the font that is selected right now. Now what you have to do is find the option for Times New Roman and click on it. This is basically the font of APA format. Now also select the font size. Click on the filter font size. Now click on the option 12. Now once you do that, you'll also have to align it on center. Over here, you'll be able to find the icon for alignment. So what you have to do is click on it. You'll be able to find several options over here. This is the icon for center align. So simply click on it. Now you can see over here it will be aligned at the center. Also make sure the references are in alphabetical order. Now also the references that you can see right over here should be bold. So simply select the references written right over here. Now press Ctrl B on your keyboard. Or you can also click on the bold icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll also have to select the indent. So for that, what you have to do is again select all. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Now click on the format option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for align and indent and click on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like left, center, right, etc. At bottom you'll be able to find the option for indentation options. Click on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for special indent. Click on this option. Now click on the option hanging. Now click on this field and enter 0.5. Now click on the option apply. Now you can see over here the indent will also be applied. Now you'll also have to insert the correct line spacing. For that again click on the option format. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for line and paragraph spacing. Simply click on it. Now what you have to do is simply click on the option double that you can see on the screen. So this is basically the line spacing. Now once you do that, you've complied by all the rules of references format for APA. So like this, you'll be able to format the references in APA format. So that is how you format references in APA format on Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.